Red lentils cook really fast without the need to soak them first, so they're perfect for making a quick lentil dal. And this dal is creamy, a little bit spicy and really saucy, so it's perfect for scooping up with a little bit of chapati. Add a tablespoon of oil or ghee to a medium saucepan and heat over a medium heat. Now add a finely diced onion and a finely diced red pepper and fry together in the oil for about 3 minutes until slightly softened. Next in goes 3 minced garlic cloves, a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chilli flakes and 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek. Stir together so the spices coat the onion and cook for a further minute. Now add in 300 grams, which is about 1½ cups of red lentils, plus 720 ml, which is about 3 cups of vegetable stock, and 200 ml, which is about 3/4 cup plus a tablespoon of canned full-fat coconut milk. We're also going to sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Stir together and bring to the boil, then lower the heat and simmer for 15 minutes, stirring often until the lentils are soft and tender. Then turn off the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of lime juice and 2 tablespoons of salted butter. And now we're ready to serve. I love to serve mine up with a swirl of natural yogurt, topped with some fresh coriander and a few chilli flakes. And there you go, that's my red lentil dal. You could serve this up as a main dish with some rice, or you could serve it up as a side dish, or as I like to serve it, in a bowl, just the way it is, with some nice toasted chapati. See you next time.